you hear that? Good distance.
My pussy.
Has that always been there? Oh. This is fucking stupid. Damn, bro. Where's this oregano? Where's this oregano?
Hey, plug up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.
Bro, hit him with that plug walk.
I don't even understand how to put my plug up.
Just need, all you need is an AC unit dragged by a cord.
I have that. It's called my testicles dragging on the ground because my sack is so long. My balls are so heavy.
Knees weak, balls are heavy. They're stuck to my leg already.
Just come on my spaghetti.
What did he say?
The fuck? This is why you don't ever pursue a rapping career. That is cursed. It's like an alarm.
My testicles are swinging. Blesseth you. I gotta bring it back. Butter dog.
Butter dog. The dog with the butter. Butter dog. I got the butter on him.
Dog with the butter. Butter dog. You got a cigarette? I don't think he has a cigarette.
I don't even think they would have stopped if they did. Well, even if they, you can't make it look suspicious because that's what chickens.
Not here. I'm indivisible. Well, this is the first.
Yeah,
This is
the first time that a cop.
years that we've come here. The first time a cop has showed up.
That's not your airport security.
No. Usually airport security comes. Like, careful. No. That is a police officer.
A police officer.
Police
Officer.
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 Off. I can't let the homies know. Oh wait, you are the homie.
Oh! Hey, yo.
I see light.
I see light. I see my light, Dusty.
Wow, that train's loud. That train is loud, dude. The camera turned out.
Oh my god. My pussy is throbbing.
That sounded like it was almost chance.
I'm a fucking homosexual.
Yo, after fucking 2 hours, dude.
My balls are itchy. It's cold. They're shriveled up. Significant shrinkage. I thought you were recording that whole time.
No.